Hello everybody, here we are. It's the third in my series of flying birds. No introduction necessary, as they say. We can all see that this is a flamingo, beloved of Floridians in America especially, and the Audubon flamingo is never far from our thoughts, I don't think, especially for the Americans. Classic image. Anyway, this is my version, the pink flamingo, and it is the case that they are pink because they eat shrimp. And in the zoos, they feed them shrimp to keep them pink. That is not a myth, it's absolutely true. So here we are, and as usual, I've written a verse to go with it, which goes like this. Flying flamingos. These flying flamingos are all in the pink, and seeing them like this, I can't help but think that whether it's sunshine or be it in rain, those flaming flamingos are flying again.